don't need no distractions. That's a drama to flex. Yeah, they talking on Twitter. I'm signed like a ninja. All these haters trying to creep. I ain't got time for sleep. Always playing games, never chasing fame. Struggle to the fame, watch them in the laws. Yeah, I'm chasing it all. Down for the ride, nobody call me small. I ain't never worried about the fall. Bringing me down, can't afford to fall behind. Gotta fight for what's mine. Until the end, that's where I belong. Burning bright and strong. Go ahead and let the struggle fade, I ain't afraid. She can't be stopped, and now I'm on top. Stuck in that place, focus on the cash. Gotta did my shit, fuck up these snakes. So that I know, I ain't going out slow. Always flowing smooth, no matter what I prove. Always on the move. We gon' make it stack, always on the grind. Ain't no going back. They can't dim our shine, that's the vibe. I rise above it all, trying to make a stand. You wouldn't understand. Never stand broke, I ain't gon' lose hope. Count up these bands, always playing for change. Breaking these chains, wearing the crown, never falling back. We taking risks, I ain't got no foes. Riding through the city with mine, blazing in mine. Ride with me, pushing through the side. Watch with them, you won't never fall. Can't afford to let it slide. Diamond in the rough, pushing through the struggle. Couldn't let myself crumble. Now I'm living blessed, flying with success. That's all that I know. Fast cars, fancy clothes. It's what I learned to run. It's where I came from. Gotta keep that money pace. I ain't got time to waste. Flow too cold like an ice rink. Hustle for mine. Always willing, stacking to the ceiling. No mistaking, ain't no faking. Keep me pushing through, gotta show 'em love. You know I rise above.